scope है rather than those boring theories. Practical is also important.
इस वर्कशॉप की वजह से वी चेंज द बायोटेक्नोलॉजी डेफिनेशन. पहले लगता था कि बायोटेक्नोलॉजी मतलब अलग अलग माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स के नाम याद रखो, एक सिंपल या स्टूपिड सा प्रोसेस. आफ्टर डूइंग दिस प्रैक्टिकली हम लोग को रियलाइज हुआ कि इट्स रियली फन डूइंग दिस.
Yeah, like the workshop is really good. We enjoyed it.
It's a great practical session. Most of us think that I can do the practical, but after this we gain some confidence that yes, I can hold a test tube and I can use the pipette properly and not mess it up. So it's a great confidence booster for all of us.
Biotechnology, it's always like we study and read about biotechnology, but then we never have engaged in like things like DNA extraction and all that. We only learned about this in the books, but then this session gave us a hands-on experience of how the practical side of biotechnology is, and that's kind of a very nice thing for a student like me who is in 12th grade to learn, because most of the institutions, they don't have all the fancy equipment that we need to do biotechnology and all that. And yeah, I think this session really gave me the chance to.
Earlier I used to always think that what should I do, but now after this I'm confident that I can do biotechnology.
So we made biotech great again.
It was a very interactive session. We never had such before. And इससे पहले जब I took biology because I want to become a doctor, and then I thought there's nothing in biology except for becoming a doctor. We can't do anything. But after attending today's session, I really think that biotechnology has a lot of scope. And हमारे इंडिया में ही इतने अच्छा ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है, और तो अब मुझे लगता है कि yes, I can do something apart from becoming a doctor and biotechnology.
और बेस्ट चीज़ ये थी कि मतलब कैसे मतलब पहले वो था कि मतलब इक्विपमेंट्स कैसे बना सकते हैं हम, इतने सस्ते सामान को भी कैसे बेच के इतना ज़्यादा प्रॉफिट कमाया जा सकता है. एंड इट वाज बेस्ट टू लर्न दैट.
Reading about biotechnology in the books, reading about PCR, extraction of DNA and DNA fingerprinting is different, but doing a hands-on practical and doing it yourself, getting the results and trying to analyze the things and learn how to do it, how professionals do it, how the scientists do it is really good experience, and it will definitely help us in the future.
After today's practical session, it was a very good feeling knowing about all these equipments we use. I never felt that biotechnology would be that easy and that interesting. I always thought MBBS and like taking BPC is only for MBBS, but it is also worth taking biotechnology, and it's a very good experience.
After this session मैं बहुत confident हूँ. इतना तो confirm है कि मैं घर पे नहीं बैठने वाली, कुछ ना कुछ हमेशा करती रहूँगी.
I will also speak something. Okay, fine. Just go for.
बहुत ज़्यादा scope है rather than those boring theories. Practical is also important.
इस वर्कशॉप की वजह से वी चेंज द बायोटेक्नोलॉजी डेफिनेशन. पहले लगता था कि बायोटेक्नोलॉजी मतलब अलग अलग माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स के नाम याद रखो, एक सिंपल या स्टूपिड सा प्रोसेस. आफ्टर डूइंग दिस प्रैक्टिकली हम लोग को रियलाइज हुआ कि इट्स रियली फन डूइंग दिस.
Yeah, like the workshop is really good. We enjoyed it.
It's a great practical session. Most of us think that I can do the practical, but after this we gain some confidence that yes, I can hold a test tube and I can use the pipette properly and not mess it up.